everyone, my name is Katie Molesky. I am the Director of Career Services here at Walsh College. I wanted to invite you to our Career Fair Prep Rally that's going to be taking place on April 24th. This is an event that is open to students and alumni of Walsh College, and it's a great opportunity for you to get involved, get engaged, and interact with your other peers as well as the Career Services team. This is a free event, so we're hoping to see everybody there. But just to give you a little bit of an information of what the prep rally is and what you can expect the day of the event. So there is going to be a lot of interactive sessions, first starting with our resume. So if you are somebody who does not have a resume, you're not really sure where to start, or you need to spruce up your current resume, this is a great opportunity for you to hear a little bit about the do's and don'ts of resume writing, as well as get some feedback from our Career Services team as we walk around and help you make sure we give you some guidance on how your formatting looks, how your content looks. So if you have any questions, we're hoping you'll be able to leave that day with a full resume. But if not, you will have the tools to be able to go home and practice this information, as well as schedule an appointment, a follow-up with the Career Services team for more assistance. So after that resume, we're going to have 2 different concurrent sessions that will run side by side. So you'll be able to jump into either session. You can look at Job Search GPS, where we'll help you with techniques about how to search for a job, what to look for, what type of job titles that you can look up, or you can jump into networking, the do's and don'ts, where to find networking opportunities, and how to engage with other people. And then we'll have another set of sections where you can either decide you want to learn about LinkedIn review, how to create your profile, how to engage with other people, or you can learn about strategies for interviewing, practice mock interviewing, what to do before and after the interview process. And all 4 of these sessions are highly interactive, so you'll be able to work with your peers, you'll be able to get engaged with the Career Services team, and you'll be able to practice yourself. So by the time you come to the career fair that we have taking place on May 15th, you'll feel confident and you'll feel comfortable and prepared to be able to engage with those employers and present your best self. And lastly, as part of the prep rally, we're going to spend the last 45 minutes with a Q&A session. So if there's anything you didn't learn, if there's anything you want clarification on, or it's even off topic, but you just have questions about what to expect for the day of the event, please feel free to attend that Q&A session as well. And so again, this is a free session for our students and alumni. So we look forward to having you. We look forward to engaging with you, and we will see you on April 24th.